FileWhopper is an innovative service you can use to send large files or folders online. What helps ensure its safety and smooth performance? The key to worry-free file transfers is a tiny app that requires no installation. The app encrypts your files, sends them to FileWhopper's secure servers, and deletes itself without a trace as soon as its job is done. The FileWhopper app makes sure that any private data stays on your computer only. It lets you create a password for your encrypted files. It even turns your file or folder name into a unique code. It's important that you save your password somewhere at this point, as no one will be able to recover it for you if it gets lost. Your encrypted files with an ID code instead of a name travel to the FileWhopper servers, while the files' real names and the password stay on your machine. When your upload completes, the app deletes itself from your system. At that point, only you know the password required to receive and decrypt your files. Now you need to find a safe way to give the password to your file recipient. The security is totally in your hands. Some really huge folders can take a while to get sent. With the FileWhopper app, you don't have to worry about your internet going down, your computer suddenly restarting, or any other issues that might interrupt your upload or download. The app automatically saves your progress and resumes when your computer is back online. If it weren't for the app, you'd have to start the transfer all over again. Wouldn't you hate that? Lightweight, simple, and secure. That's the FileWhopper app. Give it a try, and you'll love it just as much as we do.